We'll guide you through how to fix the Downloads folder not responding in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If it's not responding right now, click on the search at the bottom and go and type in Task Manager. Go and find Explorer, just here, Windows Explorer, and you can click Restart Task. It'll restart and then you try access it and see if it works. If it doesn't, then what you want to try doing is right-clicking on it. You don't need to go into it, but right-click on it. Click Properties, and then what you need to do is you need to go and click on Customize, and you can optimize the folder for documents. Select the box underneath it, click Apply, and press OK. Then go and see if you can now access it. If you still can't, go and right-click on it again, click on Properties, and go and click on Location at the top, and try tapping Restore Default. Press Apply and press OK and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then what you can try doing is clicking, holding it and dragging it onto your desktop just to create another link and then try double tapping it. That's resolved the problem for some people and they've got access to it. If it still doesn't work, then try restarting your computer. Click the Windows button at the bottom, go to the right and click the power button and click Restart, and that'll hopefully fix it.